In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export into PDF in Revit. By the end, you'll know exactly how to package your views and sheets into clean, shareable PDFs with the right settings for your audience. Start by opening your project. Having the correct file active ensures you're exporting the exact content you intend to share. With the project open, head to the File menu, choose Export, and then select PDF. This brings up the PDF export dialog, which is where all the important decisions happen. Here, you choose which views or sheets to export. If you select Current Window, Revit exports exactly what's on your screen right now. Great for a quick share of a single view. Visible portion of Current Window captures only what's currently visible in that view, which is helpful if you've zoomed in on a detail and don't want the entire sheet or model. Selected Views/Sheets lets you build a custom set, ideal for issuing a package or exporting multiple sheets at once. To fine-tune what will be included, use the preview or click the pencil icon labeled Edit Export Range. This is a quick way to confirm you've picked the right views and sheets and to avoid surprises like cropped content or missing sheets before you proceed. Next, set up your export options. Start with the file name and save location so your PDFs land in the right folder and are clearly labeled. A consistent naming pattern can make it much easier to find files later, especially when you're exporting multiple sheets. Decide whether to combine the selected views and sheets into a single multi-page PDF or create separate PDF files for each. A single combined PDF works well for submittals, reviews, or printing a whole set at once. Separate files are useful when different team members only need certain sheets or when you're uploading documents individually. Choose the page size and orientation that match your sheets. Aligning the PDF size with your title blocks helps preserve scale and layout. If your project includes both portrait and landscape sheets, verify the orientation so the content reads correctly. Under Appearance and other options, adjust settings as needed to get the look you want. This can influence clarity, line work, and overall readability for the recipient. When everything looks good, click OK or Export. Revit will generate the PDF file or files based on your selections. Larger sets may take a moment, so let the process finish. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Revit content to PDF, ready to share, review, or archive.